before making any statement on that particular issue. As far as 17A is concerned, Speaker sir, जायते हांवें पळयलें, जायते हांव पळयता की बाबा ह्या तरेन गोश्ट्यो घडल्या. स्पीकर सर, 1997 पयल्या फावट 17A section was brought in. After it was brought in, with a limit of about 25%, beyond which gradient or hilly slope will not be allowed. And then later on, the offence also, the fee for the offence also was raised. The fine for the offence was raised from 1 lakh to 10 lakhs in 2018. Speaker sir, this law of 17A, actually I was going to discuss this. I mean, I wanted to actually make a mention on the floor of the House and table it, if any member wants to read it, is that section 17A. Then later on, after 1997, there were no proper guidelines that were laid. And then after that, again in 2010, again there was never a provision where you could go and hill cutting could be done beyond 25% gradient, Speaker sir. And as a result of which, what is being discussed, what is being said, I only listen and I just keep quiet, because there is no point in trying to debate unless there is a proper forum to debate. 25% gradient, beyond that it's never allowed. Most importantly, Speaker sir, आम्ही मंगलम सारखे प्रोजेक्टाक आम्ही बंद केला, आतापर्यंत आम्ही परमिशन त्यांना दिवंक ना. Basically, later on, we went for more clarity or for guidelines that only in 25.
Please, Kodamache, Mantri Kode, 20 or Dongor.
Maka ulon this Speaker sir.
Kankra Modi je tuk sangila 25 itle tinga jata develop.
LOP madi kiya utta sare dini magir. Magir dini tu sare.
Anta you are saying this is
so I'm coming.
I'll
let me finish what I want to say. Then I'll come.
Hello.
Mande LOP. Never come. You are.
आता ती परत आता भाषण मंत्र्याचे सभासद उठवू नका.
नाही मेन्शन केलं
परत मंत्र्याचे भाषण सभासद उठवू नका.
डोंगर होते.
Speaker sir, most important Speaker sir, की हे 25% gradient ज्या याच्या पुढे तुम्ही वचून तुम्ही डोंगर कापू शकना. 17A, which was brought in 1997, then 2010. I think Vijay will know the law which is there, and yeah, from 1 lakh to 10 lakh. But that's Berber, Speaker sir, coming to the final guidelines is in stages. How, you know, when you cut the hill, how in stages it has to be done, and what is the manner in which you have to do. And that has been done. Once Venji sent me a WhatsApp of the road, of that road which was that when the road kurta mantalo pay the road the CRZ and road kurta mantalo. We filed a FIR against the owner. We filed a FIR. We immediately filed a FIR against the owner. At Town Planning Department, whatever is within the rules, we have already done each and every aspect what needs to be done. Speaker sir, and hill cutting and destructions of hills of Goa. आता जाय ते लोक प्लॉटिंग करता, ते प्लॉटिंग इल्लीगल प्लॉटिंग करता, तेचेर आमी एक्शन घेतल्या. आमी जे इल्लीगल प्लॉटिंग करता, आमी तेंचेर ऑलरेडी आमी तेंचेर FIR फायल्स केल्ल्या. एक FIR न्हू, केन्ना केन्ना आमी दोनदा आमी वचून FIR केल्या, फॉलोअप करता आमी की बाबा कितें एक्शन जाला, कितें करपाक जाय. आमी लोक पळयता आनी मागीर कितें करता की लोक मागीर शिरकता, केन्ना केन्ना कोणाक खबर नासता आनी हे वाचून मागीर ते वचून विकता लोकांक, आनी लोक घरा बांदता आनी तांकां खबर ना की बाबा कितें घडलां तें.